HalferLand videos.
Alright, what's up guys? I figured today I would do a little change of pace. Do an unboxing of the 2003 to 2007 Honda Accord GPS stereo unit with the touchscreen. It's the Android unit. This was purchased off of eBay. Actually, I went off of eBay and I went through PayPal because he said he would give me a better rate off of PayPal. Or off of eBay. So instead of going through PayPal, because they get charged, obviously they get charged 10% off of eBay. So here it is. Let's go ahead and start unboxing it. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and take this. Alright, as you can see, it's packaged pretty well. We got the foam. And then what we else got in here? Then we got a bag. It looks like the harness. And I apologize if the lighting's bad in here. I only have one little desk lamp. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this out. Here it is. Here's a money shot. Boom. Oh yeah. There she is. Alright. There she is. Man. Looks nice. Looks really good. It's a big touchscreen. Alright. Alright, looks like everything's plug and play. You got a unit, you got a fuse there. I would assume there would be another connection. Yeah, there's a harness there. Some other stuff. Alright. Alright. So next I guess I will show you what it looks like in the car, and also do a little install video for you, just to show you some quick little tips, you know, how to remove certain parts on the dash just to get to the radio. Alright, this is for what we have from wires. Looks like these, which would be your general RCA plugs. You know, you got right in, left in audio, and then you have video, and then another auxiliary, I believe. This would be, I don't know, something involving USBs, and then this appears to be, let's see, what is that? This appears to be an antenna. Yep, so that's what we have so far, and then you have this main harness right here. Interesting. Alright, we'll see where it goes whenever I pull the dash apart in the car. Alright guys, like I said, I'm going to give a very brief description on how to install it. There's my baby right there. Here's my other baby. But anyways, very brief description on how to install it. This is not an install video. This is just a quick review of, you know, how the thing functions, what I think of it, and whatnot. Fan, because unfortunately our Florida weather is once again hot again. Turn this damn thing off. Alright, so first thing you want to do is take this top panel off. It sits down in there. You're gonna want to take a screwdriver or something, put a little bit of tape on there so you don't really scratch up or mar any of this area, and you're gonna want to gently pry up. Alright, and then you'll see it start popping, and it's a good idea to maybe get another screwdriver, take two of them at the same time, and pry. You're gonna work your way over here, and then along here very gently pry at the corners, pop that out, and then come over, pop that. And then you're gonna get this, and this connector, the screen connector, will be right up there, will be connected right there. You unplug that, and basically you take that off. Alright, so once you get there, you'll have this removed. Basically, this is what it will look like. From there, you're going to need to remove this tray and this portion. So what you want to do is you want to pry up on this, about right there where that is, and you want to get this rubber piece off of there first, because then there's going to be two screws right there to pull that off. Alright, let's go ahead. Alright, not sure if you can see that, but once you have this tray removed, there's a screw there, and then a screw there. You're going to want to get something that's really helpful is to have a telescoping, like a magnetic pen. I'm not sure exactly what you call it, but you can reach in there and shit, if the screw is actually undone, you can pull that screw out without dropping it. Or if you do drop it, you know, you can pick it up without too much of a hassle. All right, let me go ahead and undo this. All right, that should be done there. At least I thought it would be. Yep, let's see. Just go ahead and pull that screw out. And there's actually two, but I just put one in there. So there will be 2 screws there. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna lift gently up on here, pop that up, and then pop this other side like that. Pull that back a little bit just so you can get a little bit of room in there. And then you are actually gonna have 2 more screws. You're gonna have one here and then one there. All right, go ahead. Once that is done, just go ahead and pull this up. You're gonna have a connection for your cigarette lighter or adapter or whatever. So you're gonna want to head and go ahead. Right. Once that is out, once again, you're gonna have 2 more screws. You're gonna have one here, and you're gonna have one there. Go ahead and remove those. All right. So once those are removed, you can remove this center, this bin or this lower bin. It can be a little difficult to get it out. You're gonna want to close the door, and then you're gonna want to pull from here, and then maybe a screwdriver or something right in here, and pull it out evenly, straight back, and it should pull out. All right. Once you do that, you're actually gonna have 2 screws on the bottom here, one there and then one there. You're gonna want to go ahead and undo those. Thus far they've all been Phillips heads, so you can do all this mainly with a Phillips head screwdriver and a flathead to pry with. But like I said, you might want to put electrical tape or something on the end of the flathead so you don't mark up anything or scratch it. And then on top you are going to have 1, 2, 3. So you want to go ahead and do that, and then you'll just pull the stereo out straight back. I did have a little issues here, so I started there. You know, just work it a little bit and it will pull out. So you got 2 on the bottom, you got 3 on the top, and then from there the unit will start to come out like this, and you start unhooking. Just start unhooking everything. These 2 green tabs, the tabs are going to be on the back side, so you can actually feel where the tabs are, and just unhook those. Same with this, and then you're going to have little clips like this. So you just want to go ahead and undo those, and then once you do that, the whole unit will pull up. Something that's really important, or could be, get your damn CDs out of there before you unplug everything like I did. So luckily it's really easy. Just plug it back in, get all the CDs out if you have them in there, and you should be good to go. Ancient technology, but like, you got 50 Cent in there. What else you got? You got Cunt. You got B.O.B. What else you got in there? You got Pitbull. And then I think I got a couple more mix CDs. Honestly, you know, it's obsolete. That technology is old, but hey man, I still like these CDs, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it. Notorious B.I.G. Alright, and then you go ahead, connect everything back together. And then it's the reverse, you know, reverse of what we just took care of. But here it is. I got kind of caught up, so I forgot to record what was going on. Sorry, I got excited and shit. But yeah, put everything back together, connections, reconnect the connections as you took them off, and you're good to go, man.
Angel, I can see it in your halo. Have you ever
all right, man, this thing is fucking beast. Look at this. Ah, so beautiful, so beautiful, man. Well, let's see here. So this is the AC. Basically, that controls the AC. You got volume here. You can go home there. You should. Oh, I'm already on the home screen, dude. All right. I haven't really figured this out, man, but you can do all kinds of different shit here. You know what I mean? You got different. Look at all this. So I'll figure it out eventually, but this is cool as hell, man. I love it. Installed pretty well. I still got a little bit more trim to put back on, but overall it is nice. It is freaking beautiful. All right, you guys, well, hopefully if you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and that's it. Take care. Good luck with your project. All right, looks like I already found an issue with this. So look, I thought it sounded kind of weird, and I went in and I have no front speakers. Nothing. All right, let me stop you right there. Now, if you run into this issue and you have a premium audio system, what you got to do, there's a little box that sits right there. It's a box that sits right there, and you have to take that off and you have to switch it over to the new radio. So like I said, if you have a premium, oh fuck, no. Anyway, if you have a premium audio system and the front speakers don't work, you take the box that sits right here and you move it over to the new system, and it's just plug and play, and then your front speakers will work and you'll be 100. Move the equalizer all the way up, nothing. 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 I don't know. I contacted the sailor to see what he can do, or what if he knows what the issue might be, but it plugs in. I don't know. It's weird.